Hello friends, welcome to Crypto Mining LP YouTube channel. I make videos of cryptocurrency mining. So if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that you will get notification whenever I upload new video. And also don't forget to share my channel to your friends. In this video, I'll be talking about EcoChain. Okay, EcoChain is another platform of ecoins official. Okay, they have many platforms where we can earn ecoins. They have ecoins official, ecoin forced, and now ecoins EcoChain. So this video is about EcoChain. I will talk about how to sign up in EcoChain and what is EcoChain, how to earn in EcoChain, and so on. And friends, for every referral we get 500 ecoins directly into our Wombat wallet. So join this website and invite your friend so that you can earn 500 ecoins for every referral. But before signing up, you must have at least 1000 ecoins in your Wombat wallet. Okay, and if you don't have ecoins, then you can buy ecoins from Telegram channel. I'll give the link in description. Click there and you will be directly taken to the official Telegram channel and you can buy from there. Okay, and friends, ecoins is not costly like other currencies. So with $4 or $3 you can get 1000 ecoins, so you can buy that. All right, now let's show you the procedure step by step. So watch this video till the end. So friends, to sign up in EcoChain, you need to copy the link from the description. Okay, and then you have to open your Wombat wallet. Then you'll see Explorer, click there and you have to copy that link in the ULR. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. So I'm gonna copy this link. Then I'll go to my Wombat wallet. This is my Wombat wallet. Okay, then as you can see Explorer here, Explorer, click there and in the ULR you have to paste. Okay, you have to paste that link. Then as you can see, open, click open. Then here account ID you have to enter 767. Okay, I'll do 10, but you have to enter 767. After that, click on authorize, then choose Wombat. Okay, tap register. Now friends, as I told you, you have to have at least 1000 ecoins in your Wombat wallet. Okay, so that you can make payment. So to register here, you must have at least 1000 ecoins in your Wombat wallet so that you will be able to register here. Okay, so after that, click on confirm. All right, click on confirm, then it's done. Okay friends, that's all. It's very simple to sign up here. As I told you, first of all you need to copy the link from the description and then enter the code 767 and then authorize, then choose Wombat wallet, then tap register and then confirm payment. All right, then you will get your referral ID. And as you can see, this is my referral affiliate link. You have to copy this link and share it to your friends. For every referral you will earn 500 ecoins directly into your Wombat wallet. All right, so friends, if you haven't joined this website, then the link is in description. Copy that link and join here or sign up. Okay, so that you will earn more ecoins. Keep inviting to your friends and earn more. All right, and I've given a link of Telegram channel in the description. You can buy ecoins from there. All right, now I'll show you from the laptop. Okay, my dashboard. So friends, this is my dashboard. As you can see, it's very simple, and for every referral we get 500 econs directly into our Wombat wallet. Okay, so you don't have to do anything, you just have to copy your link and share it to your friends. Right, and also tell them to enter your code. So if you are going to join, then please enter my code, that is 767. And if you don't have ecoins, you can buy from Telegram channel from the admin official ecoins official admin. Okay, so I will give that in description. Click there and join there. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Stay home, stay safe, and take care.